So we're going to talk about assignment 2 now. Assignment 2 is due on June the 23rd, 2018 by midnight, worth 20% of your mark. Its focus is on classification and filing systems. Now the lectures on classification and filing systems, please don't forget to have a look at the appendices. The appendices will give you a great wealth of information, including examples that you can use to complete this assignment. Question 1. Pick 4 of the principles of classification from the lecture notes. Explain those principles and give examples other than the ones given in the readings. This is worth 8 points. So 2 points per principle of classification and example. Question 2, what is a controlled vocabulary and how is a controlled vocabulary useful? So what is it? That's worth 2 points. How is it useful to a records manager? That's 3 points, 5 altogether. Question 3, what are unique identifiers and how are they useful to records management staff? It's worth 2 points. Question 4, discuss the method for determining a filing system, including the steps involved. So this is in the lecture notes. You'll have to look for it or read the lecture and take note of it. This is worth 5 points. So 2 points for discussing the method for determining a filing system, and then 3 really looking at the steps that you've included in that process, okay? Question 5, the case study. There are 2 parts to the case study. Please complete both sections. You've just been hired as the records manager for a local animal shelter. You have access to a list of all file titles, but there's no classification system in place. Your first job after completing an inventory is to create a classification system. The first part, develop a multi-level classification system for a veterinary office. Lecture 3 outlines the steps to create a classification system. Table format is recommended to illustrate relationships between major categories and record types, or even minor categories, if you subdivide further. Please include the following record types. Now I've given you a list of record types there, but you can go beyond that list. If you think that there should be something there that I haven't listed, then by all means put it on your list, okay? But include all the ones I have provided to you. Second part, explain your classification system and why you made the choices you did in creating it. So note for this question, there's no one single absolutely correct classification system. Your response is graded on your internal consistency, logic, and the way in which other potentially relevant factors are taken into account. It's worth 20 points, but remember, you'll need to note what kind of classification system you've created. If it's alphabetical, tell me it's alphabetical and why it's alphabetical. If you included different things in the table for the actual file plan, then let me know why. Why did you include those things? If you've included unique identifiers, why did you include those and how are they structured? How did you come up with it? So this should be, again, about 1.5 pages of discussion. Again, 75% is due to creative thinking and content, and communication skills are down to 25% of your final mark. If you have any questions or any points that you need clarifying for assignment 2, let me know. As I said before, email, chat, discussion board. Talk to you later. Bye.